What's the meaning of Clapham omnibus? Clapham omnibus. Clapham omnibus.
Clapham omnibus. Clapham omnibus. Clapham omnibus is a term used to refer to an average, ordinary person. It comes from the idea that the people who ride the buses in Clapham, a district in South London, represent a cross-section of ordinary society. The phrase is often used to describe the perspective or opinions of the general public. It has become a metaphor for the common sense and values shared by everyday people, and is often invoked in legal arguments, political debates, and media commentary.